Hello students, have a nice day to you. Myself Neeraj Mishra, computer teacher of your schools, brings this video for class 9, in which I shall explain about the chapter 2 of unit 2, and the related title of chapter is self-confidence building tips. Friends, as in the last video, I already explained about the meaning of the self-confidence. How can we bring the self-confidence in us? But here some tips are given, and after that would be possible is to increase the confidence level in us. Friends, as we learned about the self-confidence refers to know well about our positivity level. Means to know about our values, strengths and weakness. Means have to know about our values, strengths and weakness at the same time. So as we know, the confident people are always successful in their life. Here we have to know well about few tips to increase our confidence level. The first one is the self-acceptance. Students, as you know, it is the human nature due to which they never want to accept their guilt. Why? Because they have no knowledge about themselves. They don't know about their strengths and weakness. So their confidence level is very down. We can increase our confidence level only when we equally pay attention on our achievements and weakness. If we notice only our weakness and do not pay attention on our strengths, then it decreases our confidence level. So self-acceptance of our strengths and weakness help to boost our confidence level. Second, focus on what you have achieved. Students, if we require to improve our confidence level, we shall have to think always about our achievements. If we remember our days of unsuccess, it disheartens and we lose our confidence level. So, always remember those days that make you happy, that make you proud. This makes you positive and help to increase our confidence level. Students, I suggest you, if you are very worried, then you should make a list of all those things for which you are proud of in your life. These acts will help you to increase the confidence level. Next, the third one is make personal changes and stay happy with the small things. Students, as we know, it is not possible to get always the positive results as we wish. And nobody can achieve everything. So feel good and stay happy to get any small things in our life. If possible, you may make a small changes in your own activity to turn the things according to us. We should not apply undue energy to bring changes in the other behaviors. But if we become eminent speaker, it would be too easy to express our viewpoints in front of others. Becoming familiar with the audience gives self-confidence to speak in front of others. Next one, the chatting with the positive people. Students, you would have already learned a proverb. Sangat se gun hot hai, sangat se gun jat. Means, if we talk with positive people, we get energy and positivity in our mind. The words of positive people help to nurture our brain positively. But when we come in touch with negative people, they frustrate by their words of speaking. Positive people creates positive surrounding positive environment around us that influence the people who are living around us. So always try to talk with positive people. So after this line, the topic related to the tips of bringing the positivity in us have been completed. Next 4 are left, so we'll be discussed in the next video. So till have a nice day and thank you.